All right, y'all. Delicious 21. I normally do full A to Z DIY videos, but right now I don't have the storage space on my phone. So I'm gonna make this quick. 2003 Acura MDX Touring all-wheel drive. This is Alexa. Same goes for 2001 through 2006 Acura MDX. Might even work for some Honda Pilots and stuff too. But anyways, leaking refrigerant. If it's leaking from, let me go underneath and show you what the leak looks like real quick. This right here, if it's leaking refrigerant from this hard line that's connected to the compressor right here, not on the belt side, but on the exhaust manifold side, right there, you see that line right there. If that is leaking, that is the discharge, the AC discharge line, and it connects to the AC compressor on this side with a 10mm nut, which you see right there, that 10mm nut that connects the discharge line to the compressor. And then out here we see it wraps around to the front. Radius right here, and then there's a 10mm bolt right here that connects it to the. First things first, this should be done by professionals with equipment to fully evacuate the refrigerant from the system and then vacuum the system afterwards, which is what I had to do as well. Has to be done with evacuation equipment. Got to evacuate the refrigerant from the system. Also, the system is normally pressurized, so you don't want to loosen any of the bolts and have refrigerant spray in your face and in your eyes. I don't know, you don't want to turn into a zombie. I'm gonna show you the part number of the discharge line that I bought from AutoZone. This is the part number to the discharge line right here. It came from AutoZone, as you can see, the exact same part. Right here, it's about that long. It's not very long at all. It's about 2.5 feet long in total. Now, to pull off the front end cover, there is these little Phillips head screws in the corners where the fender connects to the bumper at. So you find one right here, and you find one right here. Once you remove those, if you look up by where the grill is, you'll see holes above the grill. Okay, these little plastic retainer push clips lock those holes into place. There's one right here. There's one on the other side. There might be one, I don't know, maybe these holes, but you'll see them. There's like 4 holes at the top for those little push clips. And then the whole bumper just comes off. You're gonna have to wiggle it a little bit, and the whole bumper cover will come off. Don't forget to disconnect the fog lights like I did. I kind of got them hanging and stuff. You can disconnect those so you don't damage your fog light wiring, and then you'll have full access. Once again, I don't recommend doing this yourself, because you definitely, it's illegal to not evacuate refrigerant from the system before you work on the AC system. So you need to be somebody certified to do that. I made this video because I didn't see any videos for the first gen discharge line on YouTube or anywhere else. But once again, the system is pressurized. I do not recommend you doing this at home. This is Delicious 21. Have a great day.